long last, nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon upang matyagan natin na mabuti itong isang bulaklak, very uncommon bulaklak, very uncommon one na fascinated and captivated me. That's why it took me time to dig it out kung ano ang bulaklak na ito. Now, look at it. Tignan niyo po ang kagandahan, the beauty of this flower. Really. Okay? And I've been asking a lot of friends to help me out identify this flower. Nice flower there. 5 petals, but other flowers have 4 petals. And at the center, magra-radiate po yung stamens. Multiple stamens na sa bandang dulo, may kulay na something violet. And at the end, at the tip of each stamen, merong isang dilaw, yellow thing. Okay? That's it. Ito ngayon ay napabalagan natin sa isang friend na it's a flower of not an ornamental plant, a vase, but it's a tree. And the tree is called Beton tree. So this is now the answer to my question. It's the flower of a beton tree. Wonderful. Okay? Wow, ayan. Another close-up, makikita natin ang kagandahan ng bulaklak nito. Okay? For your information only, FYIO. I really love this flower.